homemade borax ant bait should be reapplied on a schedule until you no longer see any ant activity for several days. Mix 1 part borax with 3 parts sugar or syrup to attract worker ants and place small amounts on pieces of cardboard or inside shallow, labeled containers where ants travel. Apply the bait at the edges of trails and near entry points, but out of reach of children and pets, since borax is toxic if ingested in quantity. Check bait stations every 2 to 3 days and replace any bait that is visibly damp, moldy, or missing, because ants will not carry away saturated or spoiled material effectively. If a heavy infestation persists, refresh bait weekly and expand placement to cover new trails you observe, since nests can be multiple and moving. Continue this routine until you do not see worker ants for at least 3 consecutive days, then check again after 7 days before removing bait completely. Keep sanitation high during treatment by storing food in sealed containers, wiping spills immediately, and removing other attractive food sources so ants prefer the bait. Common mistakes include using too much borax, which makes the bait repellent. Keep the ratio low so workers carry it back and do not avoid it. Another issue is placing bait where it gets wet or contaminated. Move stations to dry protected locations or use small sealed containers with holes for entry. A third concern is stopping treatment prematurely when activity drops. Persist for several days without sightings and then check again after a week to confirm there are no residual workers. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and connect with others facing similar home pest and maintenance challenges. Our community discussions let us share field tips, and contractors can find work, and homeowners can post project needs, so we all benefit.